Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison between Miro and Milanote, two of the most popular platforms for brainstorming, visualizing ideas, and organizing projects. If you're looking to take your productivity and creativity to the next level in 2025, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let's start with Miro. Right off the bat, Miro is packed with features. On the left-hand side, you'll find all your tools neatly organized, plus a massive template library. Whether you're building a mind map, flowchart, or project plan, Miro has templates tailored for different industries and use cases. For example, let's say we're creating a concept map. You can start from scratch or use a pre-filled template, fully customizing everything from shapes, fonts, and colors to the layout itself. Adding elements is super intuitive. You can drag a sticky note onto your board and label it, say, video concepts. What makes Miro really shine is Miro Assist. It can generate text, rewrite content, adjust tone, and even correct grammar. So if you want to make your sticky note more engaging, a click of a button can turn a simple video concepts into something like, let's dive into some awesome video ideas. And navigating the canvas is smooth too. Left click to select, right click to move around, and you can even add apps to enhance your workflow. Now let's switch gears to Milanote. Milanote has a slightly different approach. You create boards, which act like virtual workspaces. You can drag items onto your boards, set templates, and fully customize text and visuals. Milanote also offers a rich template library, and adding new elements is as simple as dragging and dropping. When it comes to pricing, both platforms offer free plans, but with limitations. Miro's free plan is forever, though some advanced features require an upgrade at $8 per month. Milanote's free plan limits you to 100 cards, and once you hit that, you'll need to upgrade for $10 per month to unlock unlimited cards and file uploads. So which one is better in 2025? Personally, Miro feels more visually engaging and easier to navigate, especially for dynamic brainstorming sessions. Milanote is great for structured note-taking and visual project planning. But if you want flexibility and interactive features, Miro takes the edge. Ultimately, it comes down to your workflow and what you value most: visual interactivity or structured boards. Drop a comment below and let me know which platform you prefer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.